Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will see how to capture the named groups. Let's try to see this one. So that means we are able to create the groups, and also we are able to create a captured groups and also non-captured groups. We have did that one. But when we are using this /1/2 like this, so when we are trying to see that regular expression, so we'll get little bit of confused, right? Because we are unable to so remember that one, what is this /1 and what is this /2. Now tomorrow when we try to change this groups thing, again we need to change those numbers also. I will try to show you that one. So actually I have forgot to mention that named groups also. I think whether it will be mentioned here. Okay, this is not there, but it is somewhat related to this captured groups only. Let's try to show it. So for example, let's say that I am having the same HTML. So let's try to have the same HTML. So this is the HTML I'm having. Okay. And let's say that we are having another one that is nothing but I tag. Okay. So I am trying to have I tag. So these are the two elements we are having, strong element and also the I element. Now let's try to say to find these all HTML elements. So how we can find it? So here I can write something like open, and here I can make it as capture group. So now what is that group name? So what I can do, so it should start with a W. Okay. And it should have one or more, and it should end with like this. So now we are able to capture the element. So after the tag, after the opening tag, we can have anything. So there is nothing but W and also a space. So or otherwise you can also keep something like I can have anything. What I say, I can have anything wildcard. So it should be one or more. So I can do it like this. Then afterwards, what I need to do? So then afterwards it should end with like this, and here it should end with like this. Okay, and it should have something like the same thing which is there here in the capture group. So here I can use something like, so as this one is in greediness, so if you want you can also mention like this. So that is nothing but the lazy load. So if you want you can mention it. So here what I can do instead of that one, so I can use /1. Okay, that's it. So we have created a regular expression in a such way that, so in order to find this all HTML tag, so we have did it. So here we have used this /1. So there is nothing but, so we are repeating this group, captured group. So here you need to remember that we are not repeating the pattern, we are repeating the text that what this pattern has captured. So that means this pattern captured this strong thing, okay, with a closing angle bracket. So that is the same thing I'm adding here, so that the same thing what is the captured text it is there, so it should handle that one. So that is the thing, it is /1. Okay, so this is the thing you need to understand it. So here /1. So now tomorrow if you are having so many groups, we need to change it immediately, /1 to /2 like that. So instead of having that one, if you don't want this one as a captured group, so you can mention simply like this. Now this is not a captured group, so this is a non-captured group. Still it will be in the captured, but it is a non-captured group. Now if you want to mention the name of this one, so you need to add a question mark, and you can add anything, any name. So here like this you can add it. Okay, so this is the tag, this is the group name. So whatever name you want you can keep it here instead of this one. So you can add here / and the group name you can add it. So that's it. So now here you have added the group name. Here we are adding, so how, one second. So here we are using the tag name, and here we are using this tag name same. So why it is not matching is, before here we need to keep /k. Okay, so whenever you are trying to mention the captured group name, you need to mention /k and the group name. So this is the group name, and here after the /k we need to mention the group name, so that the same group, whatever the group you are having, it will be repeated here. That is the thing I want to explain you here. This is the nothing but the capturing naming the captured groups. So this is how we can name it. Now I can use wherever I want this one with using /k and the group name. Wherever I want in the regular expression I can use it. So this is how we can name the captured groups. Instead of using /1, so we can name the group, and also we can use the group, captured group, here like this. Hope you understood about this one. This one actually I have forgot to mention you, but this is how you can make it. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.